buzz about Bitcoin. Over the last year, the experimental online currency has been steadily pushing its way from the tech community to the general public. But what is Bitcoin and why is it popping up in headlines across the country? Our Valerie Poncetti set out to answer that question and more today. She has the story on a Bitcoin breakdown.
It isn't money, not a line of credit, and it isn't set up like the stocks Wall Street is used to. Bitcoin is described as a sort of independent money system, and as of late, it appears to be taking off.
It's gone up about 75,000%.
More than 100,000 companies like Overstock.com are currently accepting Bitcoin as payment, where users can buy, sell, and transfer Bitcoin anonymously.
You have to initially pay for that Bitcoin with US dollars. So you have to purchase these coins, and they have it now where you can actually purchase a fractional coin. There's no middleman in between it, like a bank or a credit card company.
The internet currency has been around since 2009, so why all the fuss now?
Well, let's take a look. The value of Bitcoin started at less than $1,000 per coin, made a few jumps throughout the year before peaking last week at more than $17,000. But its volatile nature can present some pretty big risks.
Having a payment currency that's fluctuating in value, that can be nerve-wracking.
Not to mention a lack of regulation.
Are people buying things they should not be buying that are illegal with these cryptocurrencies? Are there drug dealings? Are there gun dealings? Are terrorists moving money around? And those are things that are about to come up, which may cause some of this metaphoric rise of Bitcoin to come down once regulators try to get their hands on it.
But that doesn't mean Bitcoin doesn't have a future.
The Chicago Mercantile Exchange just opened up futures on Bitcoins to try to legitimize it as a alternative asset class to stocks and bonds and real estate and commodities.
In Lafayette, Valerie Poncetti, KATC TV3.
Meals on Wheels is getting help